Your Lexus really shines in the moonlight, and with winter upon us, we spend more time driving in the dark as well as the cold and rain. Fortunately, Lexus of Concord has some quick, easy steps to helping you drive safely through the winter months. Visibility is paramount to safe driving, and your windshield wiper inserts should be inspected for cracking to ensure the best performance. If they need replacement, we can install them while you wait. And if your headlights seem dull or dingy, you might need a headlight lens restoration. Less costly than replacement, we can polish your headlights to restore the appearance of foggy lenses. Plus, it will improve your headlights' brightness. Cold mornings can affect your charging system, so it's important to have your battery inspected, and that's part of our complimentary inspection service. We also always inspect your tires for wear and proper inflation to make sure your tires are up to the task. We encourage you to call us with any questions or concerns you have about winter maintenance for your Lexus. We look forward to seeing you soon at Lexus of Concord.